How do you protect your assets after a car accident in Florida?
If you're at fault in a car accident case, protecting your personal assets starts before the crash ever happens. Here are some suggestions to consider. Number 1, carry adequate auto insurance. This is your first and best line of defense. Bodily injury liability coverage covers injuries you cause to others. Florida doesn't require it, but you should carry at least $100,000 or more in coverage. Property damage liability coverage. Florida requires $10,000, but that's often not enough. Consider $50,000 or more. And number 3, an umbrella policy, a separate liability policy that adds $1 million or more in extra coverage for serious accidents or lawsuits is really helpful in protecting you against any judgment against your personal assets. If your insurance doesn't fully cover the damages, your personal assets, bank accounts, investments, real estate property could be targeted to satisfy the judgment. That's why you always want to get a good liability policy and umbrella insurance if necessary. Please respond promptly to the lawsuit. If you're sued, immediately notify your insurance company. They will assign a lawyer to defend you. Do not ignore the lawsuit. A default judgment can put your assets at immediate risk. Know Florida's asset protections. Florida offers some of the strongest asset protection laws in America, including Homestead protection or exemption. Your primary residence is generally protected from creditors, regardless of its value. Retirement accounts. Most IRAs, 401ks, and pensions are also protected. Certain jointly owned property held as tenancy by the entirety between spouses may be shielded if only you are the person at fault in the accident. However, cash, second homes, and investment accounts can be vulnerable if coverage falls short. Avoid transferring assets after the fact. Don't attempt to move or hide assets after a crash. It can be considered, it is, a fraudulent conveyance, which can expose you to even greater legal risk.
If you have any questions about a crash or injury, contact attorney David Goldman at justicepays.com.